Alright, so here's the problem. 2004 350Z. It is smoking when it gets up to temp, and that's because oil is burning off, and it's burning off looks like towards the back of the engine, and the only visible areas I can see leaking are around the valve cover gasket, and that's right in this area, right in there. You can see there's some oily residue as well on the breather hose. And what I believe is happening, since the valve cover gaskets are new, when tightening this bolt here, the threads are actually stripped out inside the cylinder head. We're not getting good torque on that particular bolt. So here's our solution.
Yeah, so there it is. We're going to use the Helicoil kit today, the metric 6x1. And as you can see, I don't know if you got a good shot under the hood there, but the Z is a little bit different than stock. We've got the kinetics velocity manifold. Alright, so I got my vacuum, got my drill, and we're going to go ahead and drill that hole out. You'll see I've removed the oil cap and stuffed the rag in there, and that's just to give me a little more access with the drill. There we go. Oh yeah, right through. I've got my vacuum. I'm trying to minimize the shavings. This would definitely be easier with the valve covers off, but I already did the job as far as pulling the valve covers and replacing the valve cover gaskets. And getting the tap in there now.
For here, I'm just using a 1/4 inch extension. I've got that clamped onto my tool. I love tools.
So the purpose of that extension is to give me clearance, not hit the oil fill, and that allowed me to do this with the valve covers on.
Camera guy and technician. Alright, so once our threads are all cut, we're going to back our tap out, and then we have to clean up all that mess down in there.
I've got that tube rigged up. It's a couple tubes taped together. Increases the velocity with the vacuum suction, and it allows me to get in those nice tight crevices. Yeah guys, don't leave shit in your engine.
Installed the Helicoil using a set of vice grips and the threaded rod included with the Helicoil kit. It went right in, and I did not need to use their plastic starter. I was able to carefully install it without cross-threading it by hand. So I ended up using a hammer and a small punch to remove the tang on the Helicoil. There we go, getting focus right there. And that tang I'm talking about is that installation tang on the Helicoil, and it just taps right off. Very small amount of force necessary. Alright, so we can install our valve cover bolt now in the healed hole, and everything's going nice and smoothly. You'll see this gap close if everything is properly installed. Oh, much better. Alright guys, so to wrap this video up here, it looks like the oil leak is fixed. There's no more smoke. Took it out for a 10-minute drive, and everything was looking good. I'm real excited to get this Z out on the road and hopefully the track. It's got a fully built motor, forged internals, so stay tuned for more videos. I think we'll have some exciting content coming your way.